Associate Professor SITS Pharmacy. Today's topic is fungi. The six kingdoms belonging fungi. Fungi are placed in the separate kingdom called the kingdom fungi. These six are Plantae. These are multicellular eukaryotic category. Animalae is multicellular and eukaryotic category. Fungi is also a multicellular and eukaryotic in category. Protista, eukaryotic, some are unicellular and some are multicellular. Eubacteria is unicellular and prokaryotic. Acreobacteria is unicellular and prokaryotic in nature. Absorptive nutrition enable fungi to live as decomposer and symbiotons. Fungi are heterotrophs that acquires nutrients by absorption. Secrete hydrolytic enzymes and acids to decompose complex molecules into simpler ones that can be absorbed. Specialize into three main specialized type of fungi. Number one is saprobes, absorb nutrients from dead organic material. मतलब these types of fungi absorb करते हैं nutrients से dead organic materials. Second is parasitic fungi, absorb nutrients from cells of living host. Some are pathogenic. ये absorb करते हैं nutrients से cell of living host से, और some are pathogenic in nature भी होते हैं. Last one is mutualistic fungi, absorb nutrient from a host but reciprocate to benefit the host. Then next slide. Extensive surface area and rapid growth adapt fungi for absorptive nutrition. This is the diagrammatically image of fungi. Mycelium, hyphae, spore producing structure, reproductive structure. Then basic structure of fungal vegetative body. Mycelium is the hypha. Except for yeast, hyphae are organized around within food source. Composed of tubular wall containing chitin. Provide enormous surface area, 10 raised to power cm square of soil may contain 1 kilometer of hyphae within 314 centimeter square surface area. Fungal hyphae may be separate or septate or aseptate. This is the image of septate or aseptate hyphae. And next image C, image is Hasteria, is a detailed structure of hyphae. Hyphae of septate fungi are divided into cells by cross wall called septa. Hyphae of aseptate fungi lack cross wall, enozygotic. Parasitic fungi have modified hyphae called Haustoria, which penetrate the host tissue but remain outside cell membrane. ये अंदर जो थर्ड कैटेगरी का जो अपन ने डिटेल स्ट्रक्चर दिया हुआ है, ये इंसर्ट चले जाता है होस्ट टिश्यू के बट आउटसाइड रहता है सेल मेम्ब्रेन के. वो तब भी जो हैफाई रहता है वो स्पेसिफिकली होस्ट टिश्यू के अंदर चला जाता है इंसर्ट करके, उससे कहते हैं हॉस्टोरिया. Then we discuss the characteristics of fungi. The main characteristic grow best in warm, moist environment. Mycology is the study of fungi. अगर अपन फंगी की स्टडी कर रहे हैं तो वो कहलाएगी माइकोलॉजी. देन माइकोलॉजिस्ट वो कहलाएगा जो कि फंगाई की स्टडी कर रहा है. ए फंगीसाइड इज अ केमिकल यूज्ड टू किल फंगाई. फंगी आर नॉट प्लांट्स, नॉन फोटोसिंथेटिक. फोटोसिंथेटिक मतलब कि इसमें क्लोरोफिल प्रेजेंट नहीं होती, तो इससे फोटो सनलाइट से इसका कोई भी लेना देना नहीं है. यूक्रेट्स कैटेगरी के, नॉन मोलेटाइल नेचर का होता है, ये मूव नहीं कर सकता. मोस्ट आर saprobes, live on dead organisms. Absorptive heterotrophs digest food first and then absorb it into their bodies. Release digestive enzymes to break down organic material or their host. Store food energy as a glycogen. अपने एनर्जी कैसे स्टोर करता है? एज ए फॉर्म ऑफ ग्लाइकोजन. Important decomposer and recycler of nutrients in the environment. Most are multicellular except unicellular yeast. Yeast जो रहता है वो specifically unicellular होता है और बाकी जो इस कैटेगरी में आते हैं वो सब मल्टी सेल्यूलर होते हैं. लैक ट्रू रूट्स, स्टेम और लीव्स. यहाँ पे दो इमेजेस दिख रही हैं आपको. वन इज यूनिसेल्यूलर yeast, सेकंड इज मल्टी सेल्यूलर मशरूम. अनदर इमेजेस में आप सबको ये दिख रहा है फंगी एज ए डिकम्पोजर. मोस्टली फंगी एज ए डिकम्पोज करता है. यहाँ पे आपको रूफ की वॉल दिख रही है, रॉक दिख रहा है, फ्रूट्स दिख रहे हैं. दीज आर द डिकम्पोजिंग जो हो रहा है. द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ फंगी: सेल वॉल्स आर मेड ऑफ चिटिन, कॉम्प्लेक्स पॉलीसेकेराइड. बॉडी इज कॉल्ड द थैलस. जो उसकी बॉडी रहती है उसे अपन बोलते हैं थैलस. ग्रो एज माइक्रोस्कोपिक ट्यूब्स और फिलामेंट कॉल्ड हेफे. जो माइक्रोस्कोपिक ट्यूब्स लाइक फिलामेंट्स होते हैं उसे अपन बोलते हैं हेफे. Some fungi are internal or external parasites. If act like predators and capture prey like roundworms. Fungi includes puffball, yeast, mushrooms, toadstools, rust, smuts, ringworm, and molds. The antibiotic penicillin is made by the Penicillium mold. Then vegetative structure, non-reproductive, Fa tubular in shape, one continuous cell filled with cytoplasm and nuclei, multinucleates, hard cell wall of chitin, also in insect exoskeletons. Another part of hyphae is stolons, horizontal hyphae that connect group of hyphae to each other. Rhizoids, root-like part of hyphae that anchor the fungus. Then cross wall called septa may form compartments. Septa have pores from movement of cytoplasm, form network called mycelia that run through the thallus body. Then we discuss the absorptive heterotrophs. Fungi get carbon from organic source. Tips of hyphae release enzymes. Enzymatic breakdown of substrates. Products diffuses back into the hyphae. This is the diagrammatically representation. Nucleus direct the digestive process. Then after that, digested material is then used by the hyphae. Then first one is enzyme and enzymatic breakdown. Then modifications of hyphae. Fungi may be classified based on the cell division, with or without cytokinesis. With होगा या without होगा. Aseptate और कोनोइनोसाइटिक. Aseptate को अपन कोनोइनोसाइटिक भी बोलते हैं without septa, और जहाँ पे सेप्टा प्रेजेंट होता है उसे बोलते हैं सेप्टेट. Then is the diagrammatically representation. Septate hyphae. These are the septate hyphae. These are the conoinosthetic और aseptate hyphae. ये अपन ने डिस्कस किया था Hesortorsia. This the original diagram. Hyphae adopted the trapping and killing prey. Haustoria parasitic hyphae on plants and animals. Hyphae grow from their tips. Mycelium is an extensive feeding web of hyphae. Mycelia are the ecological active bodies of fungi. This wall is rigid. Only the tip wall is plastic and stretchable. Then we discuss the reproductive structure. Fungi are asexually and sexually spores will be reproduce. Reproduction. Most fungi reproduce asexually and sexually by spores. Spores के through sexually or asexually reproduce होते हैं. ये sexual reproduction is the most common method and produces genetically identical organisms. Fungi reproduces sexually when conditions are poor and nutrient scarce. Spores are an adaptation to life on land, ensure that the species will disperse to new location. Each spores contain a reproductive cell that form a new organism, non-molecule in nature and dispersed by the wind. Hyphae growth from the spores. This is starting point, then germinating spores, and again, and they are converted into mycelium. Mycelia have a huge surface area. More surface area is digestion and absorption of food. Generalized life cycle of fungus: germination, spore producing structure, spores, germination and mycelium. Asexual. अब अपन सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में जाते हैं, तो स्पेसिफिकली spores producing, then germination, plasmogamy, fusion of cytoplasm, dichoritic, karyogamy, diploid, mysis, spore producing structure, and diploid. N is stands for haploid, N plus N is dichrotic, 2N is diploid. Though asexual reproduction, three types of asexual reproduction. Number one is fragmentation, second is budding, third is asexual spore. Fragmentation: part of the mycelium becomes separated and begin a life of its own. Second is budding: a small cell form gets pinched off as it grows to full life, used by yeast. Asexual spores: production of spores by a single mycelium. Spores may be formed directly on hypha या फिर inside sporangia on fruiting bodies. ये तीनों आपको स्पेसिफिकली मैंने यहाँ पे विथ एग्जांपल यहाँ इमेजेस लगाए. एमेंटिया फ्रूटलिंग बॉडी, पिलोबोलस स्प्रॉन्जिनिया इनसाइड द स्प्रॉन्जिलिया एंड पेंसिलियम हैफाई थ्रू हैफाई के थ्रू ये प्रोड्यूस हो रहे हैं. फ्रूटिंग बॉडी आर मॉडिफाइड हैफाई दैट make asexual spores. An upright stalk called the spongionious spores supports the spores case or sponginium. Fungi reproduces by releasing spores that are produced either sexually or asexually, usually unicellular haploid and on various shapes and size. Produced either sexually or asexually. Sexually means by meiosis, asexually means mitosis. In favorable condition, fungi generally clone themselves by producing enormous number of spores asexually. For many fungi, sexual reproduction only occurs as contingency results in greater genetic diversity. Spores are the agent of dispersible responsible for geographic distribution of fungi, carried by wind or water, germinated in moist place with appropriate substrata. विंड और वाटर के थ्रू एक तरफ से दूसरी तरफ पहुंच जाना, या जर्मिनेटेड मॉइस्ट प्लेस हो, एप्रोप्रिएट कह रहा हो. इस तरीके से आज का टॉपिक यहाँ खत्म होता है. थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में अपन पढ़ेंगे वायरस. थैंक यू.